Guys, see proper Kavita, everybody. Watch Kavita. Kavita in 2026, she's in a different mode, right? Different Kavita. Congratulations, Kavita. It just your inspiration for Speak and Grow family. Because you took the resolution properly on this 26th, 2026. So you took couple of resolution and I can see you are very consistent. You are completing and you are implementing and we are able to see such kind of improvement or results. But guys, let me tell you, I will choose how many people we are. We are in this class 10. Now I will choose Amrita.
Yes, sir.
You are in team A. You are the captain of team A. Okay. And yeah, चलो आज मतलब ladies first. Okay. In the second team, Kavita. Kavita, you are in team B. You are the captain of team B. Okay, you will be the captain of team B. And Amrita, team A. Guys, take your notebook and pen and you will write it down कि आपकी टीम में कौन लोग हैं और आप किस टीम में हो. ओके.
हम्म।
Okay. Amrita, Saima will be in your team. Saima.
Yes, sir.
Saima, you are the part of team A. It means Amrita's team. And Shahar, you are the part of Kavita's team. Okay. And Irfan, again, you are the part of Kavita's team. And Santosh, you are the part of Amrita's team. And Danish, again, you are the part of Amrita's team. And Firoj, you are the part of Kavita's team. Abu Saad, you are the part of Amrita's team. And Uesh, you are the part of Kavita's team. Everybody done? Is there any left? इरफान भाई साथ है अब कोई डर नहीं है. अजी क्या आ गया है. चलो गाइस एवरीबडी डन ना.
सर मैं किसकी
नहीं
टीम में हूँ?
आप अमृता. अमृता देखो देर टीम लग रहा है भाई इधर मैडम. शी इज लुकिंग लाइक अ हिंदी टीचर गवर्नमेंट टीचर. तो यू गोट अपॉर्चुनिटी टुडे.
और किस टॉपिक पे बात होगी आज?
तुम टॉपिक पर बोलोगे. अब मैं बताऊंगा कौन. अभी तो ये टीम वी ओनली डिवाइडेड द टीम. नाउ आई विल टेल यू कि कौन फेवर में रहेगा एजुकेशन सिस्टम के और कौन नहीं रहेगा. ओके.
हम्म।
गाइस मैं ना पर्ची पर्ची डालता हूँ नहीं तो ऐसे ना वो होगा तुम ये कहोगे कि नहीं नहीं हमारे साथ गलत हुआ है. नहीं हम क्योंकि ये होता है ना जब हम ऑफलाइन कर. शाह डू यू रिमेम्बर अक्षा. अक्षा बहुत लड़ती थी भाई. एक लड़की है देयर इज अ गर्ल यू
Yes,
नो
sir.
गाइस.
I
जानते
remember.
होंगे अक्षा को. वो बहुत लड़ती थी कि हमें क्यों दिया ये टॉपिक. नहीं हम नहीं है इसमें ये वो. ओके मैं यहाँ पर पर्ची बनाता हूँ. अमृता ए से. और बट ये कैसे होगा. आओ. ये मैं कैसे चूज करूंगा यार मैं खुद नहीं समझ पा रहा. व्हाट आई शुड डू गाइस. नहीं ये तो
मेरे
पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. पर्ची से कैसे
सर
पॉसिबल.
नहीं नहीं, हो
हाँ.
जाएगा सर। एक टॉपिक के लिए डाल लो।
मतलब
एक टॉपिक के लिए कौन मतलब कोई भी एक टॉपिक चूज कर लो पहले के। अगर बैड वाला चूज कर लिया तो उसके लिए डालो कि इसमें कौन रहेगा, फिर दूसरे वाले में जो बच गया वो है ही।
अच्छा अच्छा गॉट इट. एग्जांपल आई विल राइट इट डाउन हियर. राइट. बोथ
हम्म।
बोथ टॉपिक नेम. बैड. बैड एजुकेशन सिस्टम और गुड एजुकेशन सिस्टम. तो जिसका भी पहले आएगा जो पर्ची पहले खुलेगी वो टीम ए होगी. ओके. ओके गॉट इट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग द आइडिया. Guys, just raise a team. A team people will raise your hands. A team people will raise your hands. A team people will raise your hands. A people. A team people will raise your hands. Okay. And B people.
Irfan, you are in B team B.
Team B. Team B, raise your hands. Team B. Everybody turn on your camera, Shar. Uesh, Saima, please turn on your
Da
camera.
Danis, Abushat, Santosh, Saima, you are in my team, that is team A.
Yes.
Okay.
Shahab and Saima, is it possible for you? Can you turn on your camera? Hello.
Sorry, sir, I can't turn my camera.
Okay. Let me proper. Okay, guys. I will keep my eyes. Okay. I will pick one. कहाँ गए बे? अरे let me open. देखते हैं guys. Let's see what will happen. Oh man, Amrita, you
Yes, sir.
are favor in that education system is good.
Okay, sir.
Okay, your team uh, will be favor in that education system is good. And Kavita, your
Sir,
team,
why you are laughing so much as we got the good?
no, because education is not good, no?
No, sir.
Sir, it
Looking
depends
like
on
a
the way the
teacher.
debate will go. It's
Yeah, very
yes.
nice. कम्युनिकेशन सीख गए भाई, ऐसा नहीं है, कम्युनिकेशन सीख गए प्रॉपर, पता चल गया हाउ टू यूज वर्ड्स। इरफान सर ये क्या, यही है भाई। ओके गाइज, आई विल गिव द चांस फर्स्ट, वन बाय वन ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन फर्स्ट। अमृता एंड कविता, यू आर द टीम एंड टुडे अगेन यू हैव अ वन। अरे अरे भाई, कश्मीर की ब्यूटी देखो आप इरफान के अगल बगल, है ना? ऐसे सेब की तरह चमक रहे हैं। एक
They
आफत,
don't need blush.
एक एक आफत और आ गई है अभी क्लास में।
Yes.
वन मोर आफत इन द रूम। ओके, वेलकम आरोही, हाउ आर यू?
Irfan, you will not need the blush. Every day I am applying blush on my face, but you people, as your cheeks are so red, so you don't need it.
Okay, Amrita and Kavita,
Yes,
one more
sir.
test you have that.
Yes, sir.
Let's see your captaincy. Okay,
Yes,
how
sir.
good captain you are and how you will handle your team. Let me tell you the scenario. First, Amrita, team A. First, as a captain, you will share your point of view about education. Guys, everybody sit with notebook and pen. ओके, जो टीम ए है वो टीम बी की आज दुश्मन है, ऐसे मानकर चलो। और जो टीम ए है वो
No,
बी की दुश्मन है, और बी टीम है जो वो ए की दुश्मन है। दैट इज द सिनेरियो ऑफ डिबेट, अमृता, इट्स नॉट लाइक
we
दैट।
are not enemies, sir. We
हाँ,
will put our
अरे जस्ट
points.
जस्ट इमेजिन यार, तभी तो मजा आएगा ना ऐसे, मतलब दुश्मन जो होना चाहिए
ठीक
ना,
है
उसको
सर,
लगना चाहिए कि हाँ आज तो फोड़
आज तो
देंगे।
नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
गेटिंग इट?
Amrita is already looking like a teacher today.
हाँ
अरे यार मैं
मतलब अमृता
चश्मा
तुम ना थोड़े
निकाल
बहुत ही
देती
मतलब
हूँ.
इनोसेंट से लग रहे हो, उसको लगा कर ना ऐसे, ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि
अच्छी
हाँ
बात है.
सर आई नो, लड़ाई करवाए करवाने में तो
सब
आपके,
लड़ाई लड़ाई करवा देंगे आज.
लड़ाई भी करनी चाहिए यार कभी कभी, ऐसे थोड़ा ही ना लाइफ बोर हो जाती है बिना लड़ाई के। ओके कविता, लेट मी टेल यू। अमृता, फर्स्ट, एज अ कैप्टन यू विल शेयर योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू अबाउट education system that you are favoring, that
Education.
education
Favoring
system is good,
our education system is
is
good.
good. And Kavita, you are favoring that education system
And
is good,
oppose.
है ना?
Bad.
Okay,
Yeah.
moment first, both captain will for one by one share their point of view. Okay, and you will not take too much time guys, at the start you will not take too much time, क्योंकि the scenario, द तरीका, द मेथड ऑफ द डिबेट इज कि वहां पर सामने वाले को बहुत ज्यादा नहीं बोलने दिया जाता, राइट? इट जस्ट लाइक के हाँ, आर्ग्यूमेंटिंग, है ना? अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को रखना उस तरीके से। नाउ मोमेंट कविता एंड अमृता विल कंप्लीट, or moment you will share, moment you will complete, then you will give the chance to your team member, one team member, you will say, or that you now you will speak, and then Kavita, you will take one person from your team. So one by one, you will complete all. You will take all members' point of view. Okay, both team A, team B. But Arui, तुम कहाँ जाओगे? ऐसे हम ना वो क्रिकेट खेलते थे ना, तो एक बंदा बच जाता था, जैसे 11वां बंदा होता था ना, हम सोचते थे उसका क्या करें, फिर उसको दोनों तरफ का रखते थे कि तुम दोनों साइड हो। तो
She
आरु,
will be in my team, sir.
या हाँ, इट शुड बी
No, sir,
एब्सोल्युटली।
that's not fair, but
Why?
हाँ,
Sir, both are
Arohi is
important
my
for
friend.
me.
I want her in my team.
व्हाट यू सेड आरुई, व्हाट यू सेड आरुई?
Sir, both are important for me.
ओ
So
रियली?
I'm
ओ वाओ, कैन यू सी दिस अमृता? अरे ये कहा है भगवान,
What she is telling.
ऊपर वाला ना कभी किसी को निराश नहीं रखता है ना? ये देखो,
Arohi, you don't want to be in my team.
नहीं नहीं अमृता,
no,
शी,
no.
Amrita, Shakir in the room. We are proper odd and even.
Now
Then,
I'm in Amrita ma'am.
Yeah,
yes,
Shakir.
we will
Shakir,
fight.
Shakir.
Yes.
Shakir, you will be the team proper. Kavita, one more guy. He will be in your team.
Excuse me, sir.
Shakir. And Arui, you are in the team of Amrita.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
सर आज आपने कहा था ना कि आरोही ने अच्छी इंग्लिश बोली, आप अटेंड करा करो ऑनलाइन क्लास, इसलिए शाकिर सर ने आज अटेंड करी है क्लास।
Very nice. आरुई, वो तेरी वो वाली बात बता दूं आरुई यहाँ पर?
सर कौन सी? सर रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर नहीं।
कौन सी बात, sir?
Guys, let me tell you one thing what happened.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
26th of January is around the corner. तो मैं ना
Yes.
बच्चों से पूछ रहा था कि who was the writer of Indian Constitution, कि किसने लिखा था इंडिया का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? तो आरोही ने पता क्या बोला अमृता? रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर।
It is B.R. Ambedkar.
अम्बेडकर
और एक और वो ऑनलाइन क्लास थी, अभी नाम नहीं लूंगा उनका, उन्होंने बोला सुभाष चंद्र बोस।
अयो
तो अमृता, नाउ व्हाट यू विल से अबाउट एजुकेशन सिस्टम?
Sir, the time will say.
Okay,
And I am in the mood to win.
okay, I like your attitude.
Yes, sir.
And I think Kavita left the class. She didn't listen your words. दोबारा बोलना भाई।
She left the class.
Yeah, now she is in.
She is the leader of the group B.
Kavita, listen. Kavita, are you there? हेलो, अरे ये तो भाई तुम्हारी कैप्टन भाई, हेलो, कहाँ गई इरफान? कैप्टन साहब
We
आपके
have a very beautiful captain of group B.
यू कैन सी द इम्प्रूव, ये गाइस डीपी देखो तुम कविता की, है ना? कविता, आर यू देयर?
sir, yes, sir.
गाइस, इन केस लेट मी टेल यू, बिकॉज ये नहीं पता कि कब क्या हो जाए।
Yeah, and with me, yeah, my
Yeah.
network.
It's a time of social media, or we are depend on network. So the vice, क्या क्या बोलेंगे हम अगर हम दूसरा कैप्टन रखे तो?
Vice captain.
Vice
Vice
captain.
captain.
In a B team, vice captain will be Irfan, okay? And in the team A, vice captain will be proper शहर का भी मुझे भरोसा नहीं है वो कब निकले, बट शहर तुम
Arohi.
आरुई, ओके आरुई, ठीक है। अब ये सुविधा आ गया यार, ये क्या हो रहा है? अब हम 14 हो गए। ओके गाइस, चलो मैं कविता क्या बोलते हैं,
Sir, we are 14. Then in which team you are going to be the member?
मैं मतलब मुझे कहाँ रहना चाहिए?
Come to our team, sir.
ओ
आप
यहाँ
हमारी
पर
टीम में आ
टीम
जाओ।
में आ जाओ आप।
सर पर्ची डालो, पर्ची
लड़ाई बच
डालो
जाएगी भाई, ऐसे लड़ाई बच जाएगी।
सर, पर्ची
So
डाल
then
दो
you
फिर।
will be the judge then, sir.
हाँ, एब्सोल्युटली।
सर स्टोन पेपर सीजर करवा दो, सिंपल।
इतना टाइम नहीं है। ओके गाइस, चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं, वी आर वेस्टिंग टू मच टाइम। ओके अमृता एंड कविता,
Yes, sir.
शाकिर समझ गए हो ना भाई? शाकिर, अरे अनम्यूट तो करो।
नो सर,
ये शाकिर ऐसा
I
लगता है
am
मैथ्स का
not
टीचर
able
हो,
to understand.
चश्मा लगा के। अभी बात सुन भाई शाकिर, मैं बताता हूँ, तुम ना अमृता की टीम में हो, राइट? नहीं अमृता की नहीं, कविता की टीम में हो।
कविता, हाँ।
कविता की जो टीम है ना, हम ना डिबेट कर रहे हैं, वी आर डिबेटिंग है। ओके, यू आर इन द टीम ऑफ कविता, एंड कविताज टीम फेवर इन एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज बैड, यानी कि तुम्हें ना एजुकेशन सिस्टम की आज बुराई करनी है, जितनी भी भाई अपनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकाल लेना आज, जितनी भी अंदर भरी हुई है। एंड अमृता, फेवर इन एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज गुड। ओके, आई टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी सिनेरियो, नाउ टू कैप्टन्स, नाउ योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हाउ यू हैंडल दिस डिबेट। ओके, 1 2 3, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद अमृता, कैप्टन अमृता, गो अहेड अमृता।
Far, far away in a land which is full of rice field, full of flowers, there is a small 5-year-old boy. He is moving, or you can say he is walking with his elder brother and father. He is enjoying the nature. He is very close to his father. He has no mother because while he was a small kid, his mother left the world. Then gradually that boy grown up, and like this, he was one day sitting in the paddy field and writing a poem. He is so emotional and very sensitive about the nature that the poems that he is writing is very deep. That old boy has started his education in a village school. That school which taught him how to write a poem. The collection of that poem was compiled into a book, and that book got him the Nobel Prize. My dear friends, are you aware about whom I am talking? If you are, please raise your hand. Ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about Mr. Ravindranath Tagore, who is the first Nobel Prize winner of our India. He got Nobel Prize for the literature Madhushala. So he brought fame to our nation, and we are very well aware that he is the person who got his education in our Indian education system only. Like that, you must have heard about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He is the founder of Indian National Army. He is also the person who took forefront in our freedom struggle. And are you friends aware that he is also one of the person who got civil services? The civil services exam was not like it is today now. Those Indian who want to clear civil services, they have to go to the England and have to qualify that exam. The age limit of the qualifying that exam was very, very less. It was 19 years old compared to the 25 years old for British people. So imagine, by studying in Indian education system, he was able to crack the Indian civil services at the age of 19, which is very, very tough examination during that period of time when it comes to Indian. Like that, all of you must have heard about Mr. C.V. Raman. He is the founder of our black holes, or you can say electromagnetic field. And he also got the Nobel Prize in physics. He is also has started his education in Indian education system. So, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, our education system is not backward. It is a system which has produced many, many talented people in our land. And it is only in our mind that we think that maybe our education system is lacking. No, my dear friend, education system, we are not lacking in our education system. Our education system is only for providing the basic framework that we need. It is the analytical mental ability that we have to develop in our mindset. the application that we have to make in our life. For example, I have given you the example of Rabindranath Tagore. He has his education in our Indian education system. But after learning from Indian education system, he implemented it in his poems, in his novels, and this brought him the Nobel Prize. Our India was not free during that period of time when he got the Nobel Prize. So I would say our education system is not backward. It is not less than any education system in the world. It is only in our mind and only our own mental inferior complexity that we think that our education system may be backward. But my dear friend, don't think like that. It is all in our mind, and we have to improve, excel in every field. And we can excel if we will build a strong positive attitude and apply that education that we have got in our field of interest in which we want to excel. Thank you.
Wow. Standing ovation, everybody, for Kavita.
Sir,
Clap
I am
your hands
Amrita.
for her, ladies and gentlemen. Captain
Thank you, sir.
A, Amrita. What a, I can't express my words.
Thank you, sir.
What I start. What I
Sir.
start. Santosh, have you observed, man? That is the power of storytelling. And the start. क्या बात है? Lovely, Amrita.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
That's great. But Amrita, I would love to mention one thing which is negative.
Yes, sir. Yes,
The-
sir, you
Sir,
can.
The
Sir, as soon
point.
as you considered, sir, as soon as you considered Amrita ma'am looking like a teacher and like she takes responsibility, took responsibility very like a kindly, I think.
Amrita,
Yes.
please, guys, everybody, not for a Kavita, Amrita, for everybody, please sit in a proper manner, right?
Yes, sir.
You need to use your body language, right?
Sir.
It's just like Amrita, you are just looking that कि तुम ना उस पर ऐसे मतलब गिरे जा रहे हो एक ना उस पर कैमरा पर.
Yes,
So
sir.
guys, sit straight properly so that फिर मजा आए बात में ना. Then your body language also will speak. Each and everything आपकी जो है ना वो speak करनी चाहिए, right? Then it would be interested properly. But team A, Amrita, I don't have words. It means मतलब you already learnt properly that what do you mean by exactly communication, how to speak. Santosh, have you observed one thing? She was telling a story, and the way things started. Santosh, have you observed one thing? She did not hello today. Thank you so much, everyone. Today I'm going to talking about the debate, this and that. Have you seen the story? Just take a pause,
No, no.
calmness, each and everything. Have you observed? Because you are
Observe.
completing the training. So that's the reason I'm. So how to start, guys? It's all about how to start. Your
Starting was
communication.
very different.
Yeah, your start will decide that how your ending will be, or your between part. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So, now Kavita in the pressure.
Yes, I'm completely.
I can understand. Because होता
सर
है
कैसे
बोलो
हंसते
कि
हो आप?
पहले ही भाई पहली टीम में इतना खतरनाक परफॉर्मेंस, अब क्या होगा. बट
सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
तुम बीच में नहीं बोलोगे बार बार जब तुम्हारा
सर आप कैसे हंसते हो?
चुप
मुझे
रह.
ऐसा लगता है.
क्या है, क्या लगता है तेरे को?
सर आप कैसे हंसते हैं?
ये कहाँ से आ रहे हैं भाई? मैं हंसने पर भी मेरे बैल लगाओगे क्या? ओके टीम. अरे ये टीम ए कहाँ है? मतलब टीम ए के बंदे कहाँ है भाई? तुम्हें तो कूदना चाहिए था. तुम्हारे कैप्टन ने इतना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया. फाड़ देते, टीवी फोड़ देते भाई, अपना पर्दे वर्दे खींच देते ऐसे, मतलब ना जुनून में पागलपन, गुस्सा, ये जोश कि यस आवर
सर एक ही फोन है ना.
जिंदाबाद. बट वेयर इज योर कैप्टन? ये
Captain is setting her camera.
Oh, very nice. Very
Yes,
mature
sir.
team. Kavita has, sorry, Amrita has. Okay, Kavita. Kavita favor improper that education system is not bad. No, is bad. Education system is bad. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now the second captain in the room, and she's going to share her point of view about education system. That education system is bad. 1, 2, 3, start. Go ahead.
Okay, so guys, do you know about Dhirubhai Ambani? Everybody knows about him, right? He is the richest person, and one of the most richest person of India. But do you know he was literally not that much qualified. But then also, he is the biggest, richest person of India. So that is the main reason that it doesn't belong to education system to become rich, to become famous, to achieve something. I agree with Amrita ma'am that it all the name she took, all of them are from the old generation. So in our education system, old education system, we used to have gurus, and we used to go to them, and they used to give us knowledge. That was the old education system, but then it improved. But now I feel that this old education system is not working. It's really, really not working in our society, because we are producing doctors, engineers, but we are not producing good doctors, good engineers. What I'm talking about? I'm talking about intention. We are working upon producing, doctors, engineers, or maybe lots of people who has great knowledge. But if the person has great knowledge, he's educated, so educated, but if that person doesn't have good intention, he doesn't want to serve people, then what will happen? What will happen to our society, our community? If they are just working to, just working to make money only. Engineer is working and just trying to make money, doctor is working and he is wishing, oh, I want lots of patients, so let lots of patients to get, I can get lots of money by this. And that's why, there is lots of corruption. That is the main reason of corruption, because everybody is just looking for money, and just how to get lots of degrees. Everybody is just looking for the degrees, but there is lots of people who are richer without degrees. So according to me, intention matters most important than degree. If you have good intention and you really want to work for society, your community, you really want to really want to get something in your life, you really want to achieve something, you don't need education, you need a good intention. So for me, if you have good intention, and if you are a you comes from a good society, good well-being, you will get good education. But if you come from good society, good well-being, and you get good education, that doesn't mean you get good intention. So for me, having good intention is the most important than good education. Thank you.
Wow. Standing ovation for Kavita as well, everybody. Let's have a big hand for her. Very nice, team B. आपको भी कैप्टन छोटा नहीं मिला है भाई. अरे what a Kavita, you took recently, money class. I can understand your mindset now. And guys, I don't know, are you really able to understand or not? मतलब Amrita, she gave her 100%. She did counter in a right manner. If you are able to understand everybody. द एग्जाम मतलब कविता, जब तुमने एग्जाम्पल ही दिया ना, शुरू में क्वेश्चन ही पूछा, मतलब वहीं पर तुमने पूरा खत्म कर दिया था भाई. मतलब वो नेक्स्ट लेवल था. ग्राउंड अप्लॉज फॉर कविता, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. हाँ ये बोल सकते हो कि शी अग्रीज, बट कविता आपको ये बोलना नहीं था। हाँ तो वो वैसे अगर जनरली हम बात करें, बिकॉज वी आर इन डिबेट, तो हमको अपनी जो अपोजिशन है उससे अग्री नहीं करना है। बट जो तुमने
हम्म
एग्जांपल दिया ना कि धीरू भाई अंबानी,
हम्म
मतलब आपने ना टक्कर दिया है मुझे, देखो नो 100%, मतलब लगा है कि हाँ दो
One
कैप्टन
second.
हैं।
Irfan, in whose team you are in my team. Then you are also doing wrong thing.
हु इज
Irfan.
अरे इरफान यार तुम क्या कर रहे हो? अच्छा, अरे
He
भाई
forgot
इरफान,
that he's in
भाई
my
तुम
team.
कविता की
Oh,
टीम
you
में हो
are
भाई,
in my team.
क्या कर रहे हो यार? ये तो अपने ही घर में दुश्मन निकल गए।
और ये इनके वॉइस कैप्टन है, बताओ।
But yeah.
अरे यार अब इरफान बेइज्जती
हेलो
करा
सर।
यार।
हेलो
बट
सर।
कविता nailed it, Amrita
हेलो
Thank
nailed it, love it. Yes Santosh, now
सर, I want to share something.
yes yes.
Uh, for the time being, let's forget. For the time being, let someone is talking.
Someone is
Yes, Santosh ji, you are in my team.
no
Santosh
Amrita,
ji, you are in
he
my
wants to
team.
say something, he wants to say
Yes,
something.
I want. Yes, ma'am. I
Yes,
want to
yes,
share something.
apart from this debate, he wants to. Yeah,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
Just let's forget enemy, this competition, this and here and there. Okay. I just want to share some of my thought
About
uh,
about.
about like what just now that Kavita ma'am has told, right?
Santosh
Uh,
ji, are you going to give
मतलब
any
आप
suggestion related to education? Please
Amrita,
don't.
your voice is
Because
breaking.
Kavita ma'am already has put her point. Then whatever point she has put, we as a team member, we have to decide. I
Defend.
especially have to decide which person I will send to
Mhm.
represent our team. So
So
if
I
you
think he's
are
just
going
telling
to
his
say
point of
something
view.
about education, then just restrain.
ये डिबेट शुरू हो गई है भाई
If
अभी
you
से।
don't mind,
I
it's
think
my
he's telling his
suggestion.
point of view. He want to share something.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I want to share something like as per my some thought which I come across.
अरे प्लीज लेट मी नो
Yeah,
संतोष
the
which
thing
team
is,
you are in, Santosh which team you are in?
I mean Amrita ma'am
Mr.
only.
Okay,
Please,
okay.
my
Amrita, you will give the chance first your team member. Okay. Santosh, you will speak first from the Amrita team. Okay, go ahead. Then Kavita,
Sir,
you will
this is
choose.
not. Sir, this is not about supporting my opponent also or my
sir,
team
let
also.
me decide to whom I will send.
Okay,
Because
okay,
it
sir.
is a debate
Then
and
I
I
will.
am the captain of the
Then last
team.
time here.
I have to
Then
decide which member or which fighter I will send to win
okay,
the battle.
okay. Then I'll
Santosh,
share my
don't
thought
mind
last.
it. Don't
Yeah,
mind
last
it.
time. Yes.
Because we are in a battlefield and we have to win.
Okay,
अरे
okay.
कविता ये
Thank
देख
you.
रहे हो तुम अमृता को, मतलब ये पूरा
वही
मूड में
तो
है।
वो गाना मेरे को I'm going to sing that song. बार बार हाँ देखो यार हाँ अपनी जीतो उनकी
ये
हार हाँ.
ये बिल्कुल इनका वो वाला एटीट्यूड नजर आ रहा है इनको। ये एक दिन इन्होंने बोला कि मैंने लोंडो को पीटा है कॉलेज में, तो वो ऐसे मतलब
Yes,
लग रही है वहां
yes,
पीटा
I
होगा
have
इन्होंने।
done it. Sir, I would like to send Arohi
ओके
next.
ओके कविता,
And from my
ओके
team
आरुई
Irfan.
इज कमिंग इन द बैटल
And my,
फ्रॉम द
and from my
अमृता's
team
टीम।
Irfan.
ओके अमृता, हाँ यस यस या दिस इज द गुड वन पर्सन, यस फ्रॉम इरफान फ्रॉम कविता टीम एंड आरुई। मुंह बन गया उसका। आरुई, आर यू रेडी? ओके, शेयर योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आरुई फर्स्ट।
Arohi, don't panic, just put your point.
डोंट पैनिक, जस्ट पुट योर
But
पॉइंट।
Yes,
still,
you
Irfan
are with
sir
you.
put their points. Then I
ओके
will.
ओके, पहले ही टीम डर गई अमृता तुम्हारी ना। हाँ चलो भाई इरफान,
मैं डरने वालों में से नहीं हूँ सर.
तो फिर आप
Yes,
शेयर क्यों नहीं करते हो?
Arohi,
आपको शेयर करना
see,
चाहिए ना।
Arohi, put your points about good education. My education system is good.
Okay. First of all, I would like to say that education system is a golden bird for us, because as a student, this is a big thing as an education. Because who all familiar with APJ Abdul Kalam? Yes. He is our president of India in 2002. I think so. 2002, and he is educated very well. And do you know, guys, why we are here? We want to learn something from our professors, from our teachers, because teacher is the part of our life. And like Salman sir is our teacher, and when I'm speaking in English while I'm in when I'm in offline class, sir said that सब में से क्या होगा सर, सब में से की इंग्लिश
Everyone.
compared to other person or other student.
compared to other person, Aruhi did well in English. That time I was like, because I'm attending English class only, that's why I'm give my 100%. But this is not a point, because sir give our 100%. All teachers give a 100% for
ऐसे मेरा
us.
को मक्खन मत लगा, मैं तेरी टीम में नहीं आऊंगा। क्या ऐसे मक्खन लगा रहे?
No, sir.
Okay, continue.
Teacher give a 100% for, because we are a student of their उनके there.
Guys, write it down. Team B, write it down her points, then you will counter. Okay, write it down. Now अब तुम लिखते जाओगे एक दूसरे के point of view. हाँ, go ahead.
And when I'm speaking in English, I proud myself and I proud my teachers who always support me to speak in English, because I remember in 2026 June, when I recently joined our English speaking classes, my all class students said that what you will learn, what you do in your life, only English, this is not a thing. At that time I felt very sad, because nobody support me. Nobody. But Salman sir and my parents support me, but no one support me. And even that my cousin said that you are not a teacher, because I'm speaking in front of there in English. And she said that what is this, you are not a teacher. But now I proudly speak in English, because I learned from our teachers, and education is all about our teachers. And in offline class I said that Rabindranath Tagore. I'm sorry about that, because I don't know about this. Sir, Ahmad.
Okay.
But
भाई सारा तू ही बोलेगी क्या आज?
अरे सर क्या? वो Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar written our constitution.
Yes.
And he is a very educated person who written our constitution. And why we are here? Because learning something from our teacher, not for our attitude, for a like a passion. This is my passion, and this is my in vision board in English, how to speak in English. But this is, I don't give an attitude to someone. I am learn English and you didn't. I always teach my friends about English.
Okay.
And do you know, guys, I give a story about opportunity, I think in offline. But one day sir said that never miss that opportunity, because education and as a student, opportunity to come in the stage and when ma'am call a name, she got a first position, she got a second position.
Aru, you have 30 seconds. You have to summarize your point.
Arohi mentioned about what is good about our education system.
Yeah. Then? Yeah, that's good. Let's have a big hand for Arui. Very nice. Well done, Arui. Big round of applause for. Thank you so much, Arui. Now, Kavita, are you there? Where is Kavita again? Kavita. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Kavita and Amrita. Now, what you will do? Let's come with proper discipline. You will give the chance your team. Now, Arui spoke. Amrita, now your team member Irfan will speak, but he will counter her questions, her
Yeah,
point of view
I will
only for
also
3
take the
minutes. Only for 3 minutes. You will timer set. You will set the timer. Okay, 3 minutes. You will give only 3 minutes. Irfan, now your turn and start the timer.
No,
Amrita, both captains,
sir,
start the
one
timer.
thing I want to put, sir,
Huh?
as we are team A, first we got the opportunity to put our point. The team group B, they will counter our point. That would
No,
be
but
the scenario
I
in our
yeah,
this debate,
sir,
right,
but I
sir?
agree. Yeah, I agree with Amrita ma'am. But when Irfan will
One
talk,
by
na,
one, we
then
will
your
set our member.
yeah, but when Irfan will talk, na, then your team member can also counter Irfan. You know, then it would be like countering each other.
No,
Otherwise,
we,
what will
the
happen is you are
member that we will
telling
select,
every
he will counter.
Amrita,
yeah.
Amrita, are you
Yes, yes,
saying,
we can do that.
Amrita, are you saying this that we should not proper set the timer here, less team member speak? Are you saying this? Okay, but
Yes, sir, we can do whatever you will instruct us. As we are many members and as it is online platform, so maybe it will create noise. Because of that reason, I told that the person, the member
yeah,
that I will send
yeah,
from my
this is
team,
the thing.
the other person from the other team, they will counter each other.
Yeah, absolutely.
And in between, we can give the hint to our member, ki, put this point, put that point. Because it is online medium, so maybe there will be noise, lots of noise.
Absolutely, we will not be able to understand the proper because it's yes, I can
And
understand.
there will be nuisance, sir. Because
I
of that
get it.
reason, I told that the member that I will send and the member of the group B, they will counter each other. And in between, we will give the hint. We will only give the hint. We will not
Absolutely.
interfere.
I agree with you, and I said same thing that Irfan, because we will set the timer. Because if we will give proper opportunity, or we will proper that speak whatever you want to speak, so people will take too much time. So what we can do, we spoke, now Irfan will speak. He will speak. He can speak
And
continuously.
the time limit will be 2 minutes, sir.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes is enough. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Irfan, go ahead.
Yeah, it is said that if you want to change the society, you have to change yourself. Same thing goes to our education system. Especially if I talk about Indian education system, it's time to update. There is traditional ways of teaching. Teachers don't have the methodology like technology and science. They just know about the stories, the past stories. Now it's time to update. I would love to talk about three things which are the big problems in our education system. The first thing is the curriculum. The Indian education system has not a valid curriculum. And the second thing, students are doing ratification. They don't know about the, they are just remembering the questions and passing the examination. We have to go through the knowledge, not as ratification. And the last thing, I would say parents should have to be very serious about their children's what they are learning in their schools, colleges, and whatever it is, universities, because parents also have the responsibility on that. But the biggest thing is that these are the big three problems which are which we have to counter nowadays. If I talk about myself, if I be the education minister of India, so I will try to choose these big three problems firstly. Thank you.
Okay. Big round of applause for Irfan. But Irfan, I think you don't understand the meaning of debate. I think you are not able to understand the point of view of Aruhi, what she said, I think you were not able to counter her in a good manner. Let me tell you guys, यहाँ पर हम because दो लोगों को ही लेंगे, यहाँ पर जैसे इरफान एंड आरुही था. If I would your place, Irfan, so what question I would love to ask team A? I would start my topic or my conversation like this. Aruhi, you mentioned that today I have learned English speaking. Today I can speak confidently. So my question to you is this: if you are able to improve your communication, if you are able to improve your English speaking, please let me know because of your education system, or you spend money separately to learn this skill apart from the education. I have a question for you. Why education system taught this particular skill to you? That how to become a confident, how to speak in English, how to improve communication. I have a question for a team A, everybody. तो आप इस तरीके से काउंटर कर सकते थे क्वेश्चन को. That's why I told you कि write it down कि सामने वाला क्या बोल रहा है. Guys, how many of you agree with me or not? Did I say right? Yes. This is the thing. Okay. Now, team B. Team B. Now you will send your team member in the battle. Kavita, send one person and the Amrita will. And guys,
I would like to send Danish. Wait a little bit. I would this time I would like to, as I have interrupted Santosh ji, so this time I want to so put Santosh ji at the forefront of the battlefield. So next time you will be there. Okay. So
yeah.
from my team, Santosh ji will lead.
Yeah. Okay, that's great. Lovely. Very nice, Amrita. I like it. Your communication. Yes, Santosh, share your point of view. You are favoring education system is good, our Indian education system.
Answer from my team, Shahar will lead.
Okay, okay. That's great. Write it down.
I will talk about the practical point of view. Education is required. First of all, I'll share some story which is related to me actually.
Okay, that's great.
Actually, I am in the pharma field. Even my own brother also he's also in the pharma field. But I am a qualified person.
Okay.
But he is not the qualified person. But he is not a qualified person. But because of he has a lot of skills. Skills like how to catch, influence people, everything. So many multiple skills he is having. But he is not having the qualification because of that. Now he could be somewhere. I mean to say that he will be somewhere if you have the proper qualification, right? Education. But sometimes some people says, I come across some people, what they're telling, education is not required. It's just only the piece of paper they're telling. But I won't agree with that.
I don't. Do you agree?
I don't agree. I don't agree. There will be somewhere because education is required. It depends on the person to person, but it is required actually. But he told that it's just a piece of paper. Today, what happened? Suddenly, I remember that. Suddenly, I remember in my social media, one of my friend, he's also in the pharma field. One time, he was sending one what you call status. In the status, he was mentioning that he's no doubt he's a very rich person now. I remember when we both started our career together almost 20 years back. He also started he was also working under one company. Now he started his own company and now he's a crorepati actually. So like that Then why, if you think that education is just like a paper, then why he is studying his children and all for sending to school? It's not required. It's not required, right?
True.
Yeah, this was from my side.
Oh, big round of applause for Santosh, ladies and
Okay.
gentlemen. That's great. Lovely. Thank you so much, Santosh. Now, Kavita, your team member, who you would love to send in the battle?
Thanks. And Santosh sir, as you mentioned last time that certificate and the education you were talking about them. So let me tell you, there is a one guy. I don't know about his name clearly, but I know Salman sir knew now everything about him because sir, his name is Radio. Do you know about him?
Radio.
Yeah, he belongs from Dapchi, that is near our village.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I think you don't know. So every time his friend and his parents and teacher, he used to say that, "Okay, you have to study. You have a future. You have to do study, study, study." Every time, every scenario, every person said to him, "Okay, you have to study." He used to follow everything and every rule, and in at the end what happened with him, he used to become a fool person. He have a one radio, and he what he do, he used to be like he's a artist, you can say artist. Like as you are in front of me, he can you can say that he can make your picture right now in just 20 to 3 minutes. What we can say in this study, because there is no rule, there is no routine, there is no future in this time. There is no his parents have no future plan. He used to say, "But you have to use study, study, study every time study." That's why he became a fool person. And you know what? I would like to say that we have to follow three things. First of all, routine, and we should enjoy. Not every time we should study. Right now I'm feeling and I'm suffering from this thing. Sometimes I feel like, Bobal, it's like a balloon. I will have to put this thing. Okay, I should not study because there is no plan, future plan, and there is no routine, and there is no guider here. So maybe I would like to say that we should, and our parents should be understand to us what we should exactly, what we want to say exactly, and what we want to do exactly. Right, let me tell you, before passing the 10th class, I wanted to become an IAS officer. But after passing the 10th class, my parents said to me that you have to become a doctor. What can I do? Now I had to take a science, because and literally, let me tell you, I'm not interested in this thing. Our parents for us, okay, what should I do? But I would like to say that we should ask to our parents, we should ask to our child, what you want to become in your life, what you have future plan. So we have a lack of education, we have a lack of knowledge, we have a lack of future plan. There is no future, there is no knowledge, our parents and our teacher, what we want to do, and what we are going to do with our child. Right now I'm suffering this thing. So sir, I want to say that we have to force this thing, we have to follow this thing, routine, and we should know about our child, okay, what you want to become in your life. Thanks, sir.
Very nice. Let's have a big hand for Shahar, ladies and gentlemen. Guys.
Danish, you are next.
Okay, Amrita, let me just share something here.
Okay, sir.
Guys, how many of you are doing here, those who are doing for the first time debate? Okay. Guys, if I have to give proper number, your captains, Kavita and Amrita, I would love to give proper 100 out of 100. Okay, how to do debate, right? How to share your point of view, because debate is all about questioning. कि सामने वाले को ना मजबूर कर रहे हो कि इसका जवाब क्या दूं. But let me tell you, Amrita, you sent one person from your team in the battle. His name was Irfan, but he was
No,
not.
no, sir. Irfan is not in my team.
Oh, Irfan is not in your team.
No,
And
sir.
Shahar.
I'm from Kavita ma'am.
Both are in Kavita team.
Yes, sir. Aruhi was from her team, Amrita ma'am's team.
Kavita.
And Santoshi is from my team.
Yeah.
The
Kavita.
name that I am sending, they are my team member.
But let me tell you, यहाँ पर ना I would like to give proper points, but it's not like Amrita कि your team is strong. Let me tell you the reason why. Because both your team member spoke 2 times, right? But कविता की जो टीम थी उन्होंने काउंटर किया दोनों टाइम ही. तो
yes, sir, that's why I was saying कि let if Irfan is saying then let Amrita ma'am's team counter, and if they are speaking then let my team counter. So each and every time we are all only countering ना.
हाँ, you are countering. Yeah, this is the wrong thing is happening here. तो यहाँ पर ना ये 2 points हो जाते हैं. अगर मैं अभी देखूँ ना, if I would love to give points, तो यहाँ पर ना 0 points हो चुके हैं कविता आपकी टीम की साइड से ना, अगर मैं देखूँ. बट कविता यहाँ पर अमृता ऐसा नहीं है कि your team is strong, but we did not check your team.
But sir, one second. Santosh sir also talked about education. He does not talk about education system. He said, okay, education is very important. But sir, we are straying from our topic. Our topic is education system. But we are talking about education is important or not. No, education is important. But our education system is lacking.
Absolutely. I completely agree with you.
Sir, we can do one thing, as it is online medium, so that's why I suggested maybe it will create noise. So we can do one thing. Just
Amrita,
let all our members to be in the battlefield.
We got it properly what you want to say, but I am saying कि first time आपकी टीम से आरूही बोली and then संतोष बोले, right? तो दोनों बार ही काउंटर जो है वो कविता की टीम कर रही थी. इस बार हम क्या
Because
करेंगे?
they are the next team member.
Yeah, Kavita's team member will speak first, then your team member will counter, and let's see कि वो he is able to counter his point of view or not. Okay?
So let's make it random. I will not tell anyone to do counting. Let we do countering as the time will say, or as there will be the situation. And it will going to create noise. That's I'm sure. But let's see whether it will work for us or not.
Ending तो भाई वैसी होनी चाहिए ना, मतलब मार धाड़ वाली है कि नहीं? Okay. Okay.
If anyone would like to counter Shahar, then speak. If anyone would like to counter Shahar.
Very nice. Good.
Danish, please counter it.
Yes. I want to counter Shahar that she said that one person became fool. His father has no future plan. So what's the point? Why you are blaming the education system? This is the fault of his father, and this is not the fault of the education system. Kavita ma'am said that everyone work for money in this in our India. But do you know about Khan sir? And
I did not
know about
that. Okay, but I did not say everybody is working for money.
Yeah,
I said that
you
if
said
you
that
don't have good intention.
you said that. Yes.
Then
You said that people have not good intention, and I think your point is that education system does not able to make a person who has good intention. I am right?
Yeah. It does not work on people's intention, their capabilities.
Yes.
Know, they are not giving them moral values, and moral values very important.
The moral values
that, ma'am, you are talking about, it is the values that is taught to the children in the nursery, and that our current education system is teaching.